So here's a short video to show you how you can load a YouTube link in your course. So I have a video that explains why we divide by n when calculating standard deviation of the population, but then divide by n minus 1 when calculating standard deviation of a sample. And I want to add that video to my Chapter 2 module here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Add Item, and I'm going to add a link. And this video is with regards to standard deviation, so give it a title. And then for a summary, I'm just going to say, why do we divide by n when calculating the standard deviation of the population, but rather divide by n minus 1 when calculating the standard deviation of a sample. Okay. Now down here for link type, I'm going to click on this toggle and I'm going to choose web link. I've copied the web link from YouTube and I'm just going to paste it here. I like to open them in a new window. I'm just going to show always, so it's always available for students to view. You can choose to place it on your calendar or not, and you need not change anything else. You can just click Create Item. Now when I go to look and see, it puts it at the end of that chapter module. I want to move it, say, after learning objectives. So I'm going to click on this toggle here and click Move. And I have the option to move it after an item. So if I click that toggle, I'm going to move it after Chapter 2 Learning Objectives. And then click Move. And now you can see it lies between the learning objectives and the first assignment of the course.